In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change spell checker language in Obsidian. Open the Obsidian app. Once it loads, you'll be on the main dashboard. From here, select your setup note. In this case, the note is called Language Test. When the note opens, look at the Spanish text on the page. You should notice red underlines under those words. That's happening because the spell checker is currently set to English, so it's marking the Spanish text as incorrect. Next, go to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to open settings. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus comma on Windows or Command plus comma on Mac. This opens the settings panel where the spell check options are managed. In the left sidebar, click Editor. After that, scroll down until you reach the Behavior section. In this area, find the spell check toggle and make sure it is turned on. This confirms that spell checking is active before changing the language. Right below that, locate the Spell Check Languages field. You'll see English. United States already listed there. Click the X next to it to remove that language from the active spell check list. Now click into the Spell Check Languages field and type Spanish. As you type, a drop-down list will appear with matching options. From that list, select Spanish, Spain. This changes the spell checker language for your note. Once that's done, close the settings panel by clicking the X in the top right corner. You'll return to your note automatically. Look back at the Spanish text and verify that the red underlines have disappeared. That shows the new language setting is now being applied correctly. To test it, click into the note and type '2 key. Pause long enough to enter the word clearly. After the word appears, right-click on it. A menu should open with suggested Spanish corrections, showing that Obsidian is now checking spelling in Spanish instead of English. Once done, you will see it under your account, and that confirms the language change has been applied. You've successfully changed the spell checker language in Obsidian. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Go ahead and try it now on your end. Congratulations!